Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. In today's session, let us discuss about theory of equations. Very important 7-mark question. That is Senior Maths 2A long answer questions, and this chapter carries two 7-mark questions. Among them, the first concept is reciprocal equations. See how they will ask the question. Solve x to the power 4 minus 10x cube plus 26x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. If you observe the equation, as the equation involves the variables x and the highest power of x is 4, hence degree of the equation is 4. Right? As the highest power is 4, hence degree equal to 4, which is even. 4 is even. Right? So the given equation is standard form of reciprocal equation. Standard form of the reciprocal equation of class 1 even degree. Children, this equation is the reciprocal of standard form of reciprocal equation whose degree is 4, which is even. So this is called reciprocal equation. So we need to divide the given equation by x square. Now dividing equation by x square. See, what is the equation? X to the power 4 by x square minus 10 x cube by x square plus 26 x square by x square minus 10 x by x square plus 1 by x square equal to 0. Children, are you understanding? As the degree equal to 4, which is even degree. Even degree ante, so the given equation is standard form of reciprocal equation. Hence, we need to divide the given equation by x square. So each and every term ni x square to divide cheyali. X to the power 4 by x square minus 10x cube by x square 26 x square by x square minus 10x by x square plus 1 by x square equal to 0. Children, this step is clear. If the degree is 4, we need to divide the given equation by x square. So no need of writing is all. You remember, if the degree equal to 4, we need to divide the given equation by x square. That's all. Now x square cancel, x square cancel, x square cancel. Here x gets cancelled. Children, x to the power of 4 is nothing but x into x into x into x. We have two more x, right? Here this is x square minus 10 x plus 26 minus 10 divided by one more x will be here plus 1 by x square equal to 0. What you do? You write these two at once, that is x square plus 1 by x square, and among these two I can take minus 10 as common. I have here x plus 1 by x plus 26 equal to 0. Children, what you do? Put in place of x plus 1 by x, put x plus 1 by x equal to y. Children, x plus 1 by x equal to y. Now what you do? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. I mean x plus 1 by x whole square equal to y square. Right? That is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b equal to y square. So children, I can cancel x. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 you transpose, what you will get? You will get y square minus 2. So x square plus 1 by x square value what? Y square minus 2. In place of x square plus 1 by x square, I can write as y square minus 2. So let me write in the place of x square plus 1 by x square, y square minus 2 minus 10 into, in place of x plus 1 by x, y plus 26 equal to 0. So y square minus 10y, 26 minus 2 which is equal to 24 equal to 0. Right? Now what is the constant, children, here? 24, and the coefficient of y square is 1. 24 into 1, that is 24. So let us find the factors now. As the middle term is minus 10y, I can write as 6 for the 24. Right? That is minus 6 and minus 4. So I can write as y square minus 6y minus 4y plus 24 equal to 0. Now from these two terms, I can take y as common, y minus 6. From these two terms, I can take minus 4 as common, minus 4 into y minus 4y, minus into minus plus, 4 6 are 24 equal to 0. Now again I can take y minus 6 as common, I will get y minus 4 equal to 0. So one is y minus 6 equal to 0 and the second one is y minus 4 equal to 0. So minus 6 you transpose, you will get plus 6, minus 4 you transpose, you will get plus 4. So we got the values of y. One is y equal to 6, the second one is y equal to 4. Children, as we consider as x plus 1 by x as y, so we got the two cases. Case 1, x plus 1 by x equal to, the value of y is 1 time we got 6, and in case 2, x plus 1 by x is equal to, we got the value of y is 4. Now again we need to solve these two equations, hence you will get the values of x, right? Now here nothing means 1, children. 1x LCM is x, x into x, x square plus 1 into 1, 1 equal to 6. Here also same thing, children. Nothing means 1 comma x LCM x, x into x, x square plus 1 into 1, 1. The same procedure, cross multiplication. Here also cross multiplication. X square plus 1 equal to 6 into x, 6x. Here also x square plus 1 equal to 4 into x, 4x. Transpose 6x, x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. Here also transpose x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. ఇక్కడ రూట్స్ ఫైండ్ చేయగలుగుతామా by using factorization? We can't, because 1 into 1 1, whereas middle term is minus 6. We can't find the roots of the quadratic equation by using factorization. So we need to go with the quadratic formula. Children, what is the formula to find the roots of the equation by using quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Children, what is the formula to find the roots of the quadratic equation by using quadratic formula? X equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So as the standard form of the quadratic equation is what? As the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here also nothing means 1. Standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In this case, what is the value of a? Value of a is 1. And what is the value of b? The value of b is minus 6. And what is the value of c? The value of c is 1. Here b value minus 6. Can you say here what is the value of a? 1. What is the value of b? Minus 4. What is the value of c? 1. Right? Now let us find the roots. So x equal to minus b, and minus into minus plus 6 plus or minus root over b square. B square means minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a value 1, c value 1 divided by 2 into a value 1. Here also, children, x equal to minus into minus plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2 into a 2a. So children, x equal to minus 6 plus or minus 6 whole square 36 minus 4 by 2. Here x equal to 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4 by 2. So x equal to 6 plus or minus 36 minus 4 32 by 2. X equal to 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4 12 by 2. How can I write as 32 children? 32 I can write as 16 into 2 children. Right? 16 to the 32 root 16 into root 2. Root 16 means 4 root 2 children. So what do you mean by root 32? 32 is nothing but 4 root 2. Right? So x equal to 6 plus or minus 4 root 2 by 2. Here x equal to 4 plus or minus, what do you mean by 12? 12 I can write as 4 3 is 12. I mean root 4 into root 3 I can write as 2 root 3. So what is the meaning of root 12? 2 root 3 divided by 2. Now I can take 2 as common. 2 3 is 6 plus or minus 2 2 is 4 by 2. 2 2 gets cancelled. X equal to 3 plus or minus 2 root 2. Here also you can take 2 common. 2 2 is 4 plus or minus root 3 by 2. As 2 2 gets cancelled, so x equal to 2 plus or minus root 3. See, actually as the degree equal to 4, hence you will get 4 roots. So what are the 4 roots children? One is 3 plus 2 root 2, and the other one is 3 minus 2 root 2, and the third one is 2 plus root 3, and the fourth one is 2 minus root 3. Therefore, what are the roots of the equation? The roots of the equation is 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2, 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. Children, how they will ask question, you see. Solve. They will give equation. So the thing is, first thing we need to see what is the degree. If the degree equal to 4, which is even degree, that is the standard form of reciprocal equation. Hence, we need to divide the given equation by x square. Whatever the equation, if the degree is if the degree is 4, divided by the given equation by x square. Okay, no need of confusing anything here. Simply, if the degree is 4, divide the given equation by x square. So once if you practice, you will get easily. So everything, addition, subtraction, factorization, that's all. Okay, there is no difficult concepts over there. Simply you will get 7 mark question. If you practice once or twice, you will get the 7 marks easily. So this is our first question, children. Okay. Now coming to question number 2, again solve 2x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 minus 12x cube minus 12x square plus x plus 2 equal to 0. Right? Here, degree of the given equation. What is the degree? Can you say me here? Whose highest power is 5, hence degree of the equation is 5. So, the given equation is reciprocal of class 1 of odd degree. This is class 1 of odd degree, because here number n equal to 5, which is odd number, n equal to 5, that is called odd. Therefore, the given equation is reciprocal equation of class 1 of odd degree. Okay, so if the degree equal to 5, degree 5 ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలంటే ఒకసారి సింథటిక్ డివిజన్ చేయాలి. ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ లో డిగ్రీ ఈక్వల్ టు 4. ఇఫ్ ద డిగ్రీ ఈక్వల్ టు 4, దట్ ఈస్ రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ క్లాస్ 1 ఆఫ్ ఈవెన్ డిగ్రీ. దేర్ ఇస్ నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ డూయింగ్ సింథటిక్ డివిజన్. ఈ కేసులో ఏం చేయాలంటే హియర్ డిగ్రీ ఈక్వల్ టు 5 విచ్ ఇస్ ఆడ్. సో వాట్ టు డు, డిగ్రీ 5 ఉంటే ఒకసారి సింథటిక్ డివిజన్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? లెట్ us do now. So what to do, how to do synthetic division? First we have to take x for 5 coefficient, that is 2. Next x for 4 coefficient, that is 1. Next x cube coefficient, that is minus 12. X square coefficient minus 12. X coefficient 1 and the constant is 2. Right? So first by using trial and error method, we need to find one root. Okay na? How to find one root, children? By using trial and error method. So first let us check with 1, right? So 2 into, in the place of 1 you substitute 5, plus in the place of x you substitute 1, again in the place of x you substitute 1, again in the place of x you substitute 1, 1 plus 2. Here 2, 1, minus 12, 1 plus 2. Do we get 0? No, children. Hence x equal to 1 is not a root of the given equation. Now what we will do, in the place of x we will substitute minus 1, this is minus 1, okay, 2 into minus 1 whole to the power of 5, which is equal to minus 1, because power is even odd number, so result is minus 1. Here power is even number, result will be positive. Minus 12 into, here power is odd number, result will be negative. Minus 12 into, here power is even number, result will be positive. Minus 1 plus 2. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2, plus 1, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, minus 1 plus 2. Plus 2 minus 2, plus 1 minus 1, plus 12 minus 12 gets cancelled, 0. Children, what we got? At x equal to minus 1, we got 0. So x equal to minus 1 is the root of the quadratic equation. Children, how we took minus 1, did you understand? So by using trial and error method, first we checked whether x equal to minus 1 is a root of the given equation or not. When we are substituting in the place of x minus 1, we got result 0. Hence x equal to minus 1 is a root of the quadratic equation. So not quadratic equation, which is a given equation, reciprocal equation, right? Now what I will do, we know how to do synthetic division. Always we need to put here 0, children, right? Now 2 plus 0, we have to add. Here we should add 2 plus 0, 2. Here we should multiply 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Here we should add 1 plus minus 2, minus 1. Here we should multiply minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus, 1 1 ja 1. Minus 12 plus 1, minus 11. Minus 11 into minus 1 plus 11. Minus 12 plus 11, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Hence 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Okay, one term we got reduced, right? So before we have 2x to the power of 5. Okay, now one term got reduced and this 2 will become coefficient of what? X to the power of 4. 2x to the power of 4. Children, are you understanding? We reduced one term. There is no x to the power of 5 term now. It will start from x to the power of 4. X to the power of 4 coefficient 2. And this minus 1 is the coefficient of x cube. And this minus 11 is the coefficient of x square. And this minus 1 is the coefficient of x. And this will be the constant. Did you understand, children? How we got this? 2x to the power of 4 minus 1x to the power of 3, right? Then minus 11x square minus x plus 2, which is equal to 0. Now if you observe here, it came into the form of standard form of reciprocal equation whose degree equal to 4 here. We know in the previous question we did how to solve if the degree of an equation is 4. What to do? We need to divide the given equation by x square. Yes or no, children? We need to divide the given equation by x square, by x square, by x square, by x square, by x square. X square cancel, x square cancel, x square cancel, x cancel. We have one more, 2x square minus x minus 11 minus 1 by x plus 2 by x square equal to 0. Children, here we have 2x square and here we have 2 by x square. These two are one combination. If I take 2 common, I'll get x square plus 1 by x square. Now these two are one combination. If I take minus common, I'll get x plus 1 by x. Minus 11 equal to 0. As we know, children, we need to put in the place of put x plus 1 by x equal to y. What to do? We have to do squaring on both sides. I mean x plus 1 by x whole square equal to y square. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab equal to y square. X gets cancelled. X square plus 1 by x square equal to 2u transpose. You will get y square minus 2. As already we have 2 here, in the place of x square plus 1 by x square, I can write as y square minus 2. Here I can write as minus y minus 11 equal to 0. So 2 into y square, 2y square, 2 into minus 2, 4, minus y minus 11 equal to 0. 2y square minus y minus 4 minus 11 minus 15 equal to 0. As constant is minus 15 and the coefficient of y square is 2. 52 is 30. So I can write as 6 5 is 30. That is plus 6 minus 5. Yes. So 2y square minus 6y plus 5y minus 15 equal to 0. From these two terms I can take 2y as common. 2 into 2y into y, 2y square, and 2 3 is 6. Now I can take 5 common. 5 into y, 5y, 5 3 is 15. Now if I take y minus 3 as common, I will get 2y plus 5 equal to 0. So y minus 3 equal to 0, 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Minus 3 if you transpose, you will get plus 3. Plus 5 if you transpose, minus 5. So y equal to minus 5 divided by 2. As we got two values, y equal to 3 and y equal to minus 5 by 2. Yes? As we have considered x plus 1 by x as y, right? So x plus 1 by x equal to y. Y means what? 3. Second one. X plus 1 by x equal to y. Y means how much we got? Minus 5 by 2. Okay? Now, nothing in the sense 1. Here also 1. LCM is x. X into x, x square plus 1 into 1, 1 equal to 3. So x square plus 1 cross multiplication equal to 3x. X square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Children, plus 3x if I take minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay? We cannot find the roots of the quadratic equation by using factorization. Hence we need to go with the quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Right? So this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. As the value of a1, b minus 3, c1. So x equal to minus b, minus into, see children here minus 3, here already minus is there, minus into minus plus. So 3 plus or minus, minus 3 whole square, minus 4 into a value 1, c value 1 by 2 into a value 1. 3 plus or minus 9 minus 4 by 2. So x equal to 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. 9 minus 4 which is equal to 5. Right? So we got two roots. One is 3 plus root 5 by 2 and other one is 3 minus root 5 by 2. Okay? Now let us go with the second one. Again LCM is x. X into x, x square plus 1 into 1, 1 equal to minus 5 by 2. Cross multiplication children. 2 into x square plus 1 equal to minus 5 into x minus 5x. 2 into x square, 2x square plus 2 into 1, 2 minus 5x comes to this sum is plus 5x equal to 0. If I write in standard form, 2x square plus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Here we can find the roots by using factorization, because 2 into 2, that is 4. Factors of 4 are 4 1 ja 4. So 2x square plus 4x plus 1x plus 2 equal to 0. If I take 2x as common, x plus 2. If I take 1 as common, x plus 2 equal to 0. Again, if I take x plus 2 as common, I will get 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So x plus 2 equal to 0, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 2, 2x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 2. So children, what are the roots of the given equation? One is 3 plus root 5 by 2. Second one is 3 minus root 5 by 2. Third one is minus 2. Fourth one is minus 1 by 2. So children, what are the roots of the given equation? 2x to the power of 5 plus 1x power 4 minus 12x cube minus 12x square plus x plus 2 equal to 0. So the main thing is here, coming to question number 1 and question number 2, there the power is 4, which is even degree. Here the power is 5, which is odd degree. Degree 5 unte, we need to do synthetic division. One time we have to do synthetic division, so that it comes into the form of x class 1 of even degree. Then the procedure is same. If suppose degree is equal to 6, we have to do synthetic division 2 times. Okay, these are the most important questions. If you practice these 2 sums, you will get easily 7 mark, children. Okay, so children, don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends, children. Thank you.